everybody, it's Maria Willis from Card Bomb here for Tonic Studios, and it is finally Friday, and if you've been following along with our sneak peeks this week, you know that means that the Stamp Club launches today. I have the lucky job of getting to walk you through all of the new products, and I'm super excited to share all of them. They're over on my desk, so let's head over there and check them out.
All right, let's take a look at these Stamp Club products. Included in this month's release are the Heartfelt Corsage Stamp and Die Bundle, as well as that Happy Mail envelope set, which we'll look at later. These are packaged in these great plastic envelopes that have binder holes on the left, tabs for labeling, and a notched out top so you can easily access the product inside. This stamp set has 2 floral images that are each large enough to be the focal point of a card, and there are also 3 smaller floral images that are beautiful. And in addition to this, there are 13 sentiments. The large coordinating die set features dies that have already been cut apart with burrs removed. These dies are perfect for eliminating fussy cutting and adding dimension to your projects. Now let's take a look at some of the card samples that I've made using these floral stamps. So I started out by making 1-layer cards. I wanted to show you that these stamps are so beautiful that they can carry the card all on their own. This sample here shows you that stamped multiple times you can make a beautiful background using that largest floral stamp. You can also stamp it off to the side of a background or an envelope to create unique patterns. This happens to be an envelope that I also stamped with the Happy Mail envelope stamp set. So that says not licked. There's also another stamp that says licked with my spit. This card I heat embossed and then watercolored that floral image and then cut it out with a die. So on the left you can see I used the heart, and on the right I used the background. And this was watercolored with shimmer powders. This again was watercolored with shimmer powders, but then die cut out so that I've got dimension on the card. And this again, exact same thing, but just different colors of shimmer powders. And I love how those images just pop off the card. This was heat embossed on vellum and then stuck onto the background, and this was heat embossed in silver, and even just this white image is very striking. This was watermark ink on a blue cardstock, and this was more shimmer powders, but this time I used the dies to create a floral frame. There is a video on how to create these frames over on the Tonic Studios YouTube channel. This is an envelope that I created using the smaller of the 2 floral images from the main set. And this is a shaker card, and there's a video tutorial on my YouTube channel, Card Bomb by Maria Willis, showing how to make these. So this is fun because there's a lot of dimension to these cards, but they're also shaker cards. So this last card was made with the smaller floral images formed into a wreath and then topped off with the banner sentiment. Let's move on to this Happy Mail envelope stamp set. This stamp set is mega. There are 37 total stamps, 30 of which are sentiment stamps, so you can use those to customize your sentiments on your cards, the backs of your cards, and your envelopes too. There are also some larger images, and those are intended to be used for addressing your envelopes. However, they can also be used in combination with any stamp set that you have. Here is an envelope that I made using the wooden sign. I customized it by adding color, obviously, and the sending hugs and a tiny little to and from on it. Then I splattered the background with some shimmer pen, and it's just a lot of fun. So let's check out a couple other things I did with this set. I customized these sentiments. Hey sweet friend, I miss you. Sending hugs, sweet friend. And on this one I did the back. Handmade just for you. Act impressed. So there are some snarky sentiments in there too that I think are pretty fun. Thinking of you, pretty lady. And sending smiles. So this one I did the back. I made this for you. You can never throw it away. And again, here's that not licked. There's just so much you can do with the stamp set. Now this Heartfelt Corsage bundle is selling for $34.99. That's pounds or dollars, no matter where you are. And there's just so much you can do with that stamp set. It's such a great value. The Happy Mail envelope stamp set is selling for $24.99. That's pounds or dollars. And again, with 37 stamps, you cannot beat that price for the versatility. So be sure to pick yours up at tonicstudios.com.